I'm calling in regards to the fact that there has been inclement weather on a couple of occasions, and when these people have come out representing the company, they have sent individuals who will get down from top of the house and tell us that we just need a few places on top of the house replaced. But then we have an independent to come, and the independent person looks and says, Mr. Stephen, you need your entire roof replaced. And this has happened on a couple of occasions with this same company. So what do we do?
Is it an insurance company that's coming to look and saying only a couple spots need to be replaced, or?
Yes, this is the adjuster that's coming from the insurance company, and the insurance adjuster have told us on a couple of occasions that this is just a spot damage thing, but it's like 4 or 5 or 6 or 7 different spots, whereas we have two different independent roofing companies come and say that the entire roof needs to be replaced.
Okay.
Oh,
Thank
yes,
you,
sir.
Stephen. Yeah, I feel your pain on that one too.
Yeah,
Go ahead.
and that's one of the house expenses that's really substantial to do, and it doesn't add any value to your house because every house is supposed to have a roof. But to answer your question is, one, you probably need to consult with an attorney here. Your insurance company, they may be doing the right thing. It's hard to know based on the facts. You may have spot damage that they're responsible for, and the rest of the roof may just be so old that it needs replacing regardless of whether it was damaged or not. But if you have a independent investigator or independent roofer that's saying that the whole roof is damaged from weather, then that would be the responsibility of your insurance company, and you should talk to an attorney and see if they can help you get that replaced by your insurance company.
It's so frustrating though, and time consuming too.
I mean, insurance is a necessary evil. Everybody needs to have it, but let's not forget, they're in the business to make money. They take your premiums and they invest it, and they play the stock market and so forth, and their goal is to make money, and they're a business, and if they pay out every single claim fully every single time, their bottom line's going to hurt. So that's that's why there's a check and balance system, and that's why we do what we do to help keep the insurance company in line.